Guys, today we are in famous Amphawa floating market. It is like 1 hour drive from Bangkok. Today is Sunday and it's like long weekend in Thailand, so you can able to see lot of people here. It's like fully packed. So while like during COVID it was totally closed, very few shops are open. Guys, you can able to see this is, you can rent this boat. Amazing, like it's full packed, like all shops are open here. They look like the Bangkok is in again the old like Bangkok. So hope a lot of tourists are coming to Bangkok and Bangkok become the same touristy spot.
Magnet.
Magnet, right? Wow. How much? Now time for boat ride. So the boat ride is only 50 baht each, and it is like almost like 40 minutes of boat ride, and in between they'll stop for this kind of temples, and this temple name is Chulamanee temple, and yeah, looks good. Let's go. The boat ride was really refreshing. Really refreshing. You like it, right?
Refreshing.
It's super refreshing. Only 50 baht. It is like 45 minutes of boat ride.
One nói. Let's sugar. Okay.
So if you are coming to this floating market, you should come to this 83 coffee. It's amazing. This one is Americano Yuzu. Wow, super refreshing. So guys, that's it for Amphawa floating market. So hope you like this video. If you're liking this video, please do subscribe and please tap the like button. So see you next time with another video. So bye Coconut ice cream.
กินมะพร้าวก่อนจ้า น้ำมะพร้าว
Konda, konda. তুমি খাবে?
Coconut ice cream na?
তুমি নেবে?
Ni na?
Homemade, right?
You like coconut ice cream? Is it good? So this much of ice cream is only 40
This is
baht.
not creamy.
It's not creamy?
No.
Oh. So you like it or it's different, right?
The water cheap.